our body is 70% water. That is different parts of human body. And when we have so much water, where it exactly go? Well, in our houses, when we have water which is not very clean, we usually filter it or use a water purifier so that it is clean and we are able to drink it. Similarly, in our body, there are kidneys. Now, kidneys do the same work as a filter. Kidneys filter out all the watery waste from our blood. Now, once the kidneys have filtered out all the waste, where does it go? Well, from there, all the waste watery material travels through these pipes and it enters the bladder. Now, this bladder is a very important organ. So while kidneys filter out the entire watery waste, it is the bladder which stores all that watery waste. Now, you must be thinking that these are waste products. Then why do we need to store it? Imagine, kidneys have filtered out some watery waste from your body, which is supposed to come out of your body as urine. Now, if there is no bladder, then you will have to immediately go to the urinal and you will have to pass urine. And if this happens the entire day, that is, the kidneys actually filter the blood out the entire day, will you be staying in the washroom the entire day? Not possible, right? That's why we have the bladder in our body. So what it does is, bladder stores the entire urine, and when we go to the urinal, then the urine is passed out of the body. So you see, bladder is a very important organ in our body because it ensures timely removal of watery waste from our body. So tell me, liquid waste is filtered in our body by the kidneys. Is this statement true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is true. Kidneys are the organs which are responsible for filtering out liquid waste in our body. Now, apart from the liquid waste, there is also a lot of solid waste because we also eat a lot of solid food. So, where does that waste go? Well, that waste is handled by the large intestine along with its parts rectum and anus, and they together handle the solid waste in our body. So, when the food is processed inside our body, and all the important juices are extracted in the small intestine, the leftover food is passed on to the large intestine. And in the large intestine, what happens is, all the water from that waste is absorbed by the large intestine here. And then the leftover solid waste is passed on to this part of the large intestine, which is rectum. And from rectum, what happens is, well, after rectum, it slowly passes out through the anus. So rectum is the final resting place for the solid waste in our body. And once the solid waste reaches rectum, then we feel the urge to go to the washroom and clear out our stool. And that is why rectum is also like an alarm clock for us. So whenever you feel the urge to go to the washroom and clear out your stool, it means that the stool has reached rectum. And from anus, it comes out of our body. So the hole through which the entire stool comes out of our body is nothing but anus. And this system together handles the solid waste in our body. So you see, in case of solid waste, we have the large intestine, we have the rectum, and we have the anus. So from large intestine, food comes here, and at this point, it is stored, and where we feel the urge to go to the washroom and clear our stool. So let's understand how the entire thing happens in our body. So you see, all the solid waste from our body enters the intestine, the large intestine, like this. And then slowly all the water is absorbed by the large intestine. You see, all the water is coming out and only the solid material is left inside the large intestine. And then from the rectum, so this cup is acting as a rectum, and through this hole, which is the anus, the entire stool is coming out from our body. So you see, we have different systems for different types of wastes in our body. So the liquid waste is handled by the kidneys and the bladder, while the solid waste is handled by the large intestine along with the rectum and anus. And together they are the excretory system of our body.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.